Imagine if Iron Man, Thor, and the Hulk could all work together without smashing everything. That's LangChain. We're assembling a super team of language models to solve problems, smash through data, and maybe not blow anything up. Okay, maybe a little. Welcome to the Ultimate AI Superhero Squad Toot. Let's chain these heroes up.
Okay, that's enough of the playtime. Today I want to talk about LangChain, an open-source framework designed to help developers build applications that integrate large language models, LLMs, with external tools, data sources, and workflows. It enables the creation of complex applications by providing modular components. Now, in the next section, I'll do a quick review of LangChain's most important parts. Language model chains allows for structured, multi-step workflows where the output of one step becomes the input for the next. Agents enables language models to make decisions and interact with external systems, such as APIs or databases, dynamically. Memory supports maintaining context across multiple interactions, helping applications remember user preferences or past interactions. Data integration connects LLMs to external data sources like databases, APIs, and documents for real-time, data-driven insights. Prompt templates provides reusable, dynamic templates for optimizing how language models are prompted. Evaluation and testing includes tools for validating model outputs and testing performance to ensure reliable applications. Multi-model integration supports various LLMs from providers like OpenAI and Hugging Face, enabling flexible and scalable solutions. LangChain is ideal for building conversational agents, such as automating business workflows, data processing, and creating custom natural language processing applications. Use cases for LangChain. Conversational AI. LangChain can be used to build sophisticated chatbots that handle nuanced queries, make decisions, and perform actions. Its memory and chaining capabilities are perfect for creating personalized conversations over time. Automation. LangChain automates business workflows where natural language plays a key role, such as handling customer service tickets or summarizing meeting notes from various stakeholders. Data processing. With its integration capabilities, LangChain allows businesses to create applications that process vast amounts of data, from legal contracts to scientific papers, and generate meaningful insights. Custom NLP workflows. LangChain makes it easier to build applications for specialized NLP tasks, like document classification, summarization, or even AI-assisted programming, by creating structured and repeatable workflows that rely on powerful language models. LangChain stands out as a framework that helps developers create robust, data-driven AI applications with advanced workflows, making it ideal for businesses and developers who want to leverage the power of large language models in real-world, multi-step processes. Now, I'll expand on the important parts of LangChain in the next 7 sections, so grab some coffee and let's get started. 1. Language model chains. LangChain is built around the concept of chains, where different components like a language model, tools, or other functions, each component can either pass or modify the input/output, making the system highly modular. Sequential workflow. For example, a typical chain might involve an initial user query that is processed by an LLM to extract keywords, which are then used to fetch relevant information from an external source. The fetched data is then passed back to the model to generate a final response. Advanced chains. LangChain supports more advanced workflows, such as branching, where the model chooses different actions based on certain conditions, or recursive calls, where the output of one language model is refined or used as input to another. Use case. A customer service chatbot where the first model identifies the customer's issue, e.g., billing, technical support, and subsequent steps fetch relevant FAQs or data from a knowledge base to provide a solution. 2. Agents. Agents in LangChain allow language models to make decisions and take actions dynamically. Rather than simply generating responses, these agents can interact with various tools, such as APIs, databases, or even trigger external processes. Decision-making. Agents can choose between different courses of action based on the context. For instance, an agent can determine if a query is about weather, and then call a weather API to fetch real-time data. Actions beyond text generation. Agents can also perform actions like querying databases, running calculations, or accessing external tools, essentially making them more than just conversational agents. Tool use. Agents can decide when to invoke certain tools. For example, an agent might recognize a mathematical question and call a calculator tool instead of attempting to compute the answer on its own. Use case. A virtual assistant that handles booking appointments. When the user asks to schedule an appointment, the agent checks the user's calendar via an API, confirms available times, and schedules the event without human intervention. 3. Memory. LangChain provides built-in memory capabilities, allowing applications to maintain a context across multiple interactions. This is crucial for tasks like building chatbots, or any system where the user's past inputs need to influence future interactions. Long-term memory. This allows a conversational agent to remember facts or preferences shared by the user earlier in the conversation or even across sessions. For instance, if a user states they prefer vegetarian food in a previous session, the agent can use that information to recommend restaurants in future queries. Short-term memory. In shorter interactions, memory can help maintain context within a single conversation, allowing the agent to follow up appropriately based on previous exchanges without needing the user to repeat information. Use case. A customer support bot that can recall a user's past issues and follow up intelligently, or a personalized learning assistant that remembers a student's learning preferences over time. 4. Data integration. One of LangChain's strengths is its ability to integrate with external data sources, which allows language models to go beyond generic responses and provide real-time, data-driven insights. Databases. LangChain supports SQL and NoSQL databases, enabling queries to pull structured data directly into the LLM workflows. This is helpful for creating data-driven applications where real-time or historical data is needed. APIs. LangChain can easily integrate with external APIs, allowing your applications to fetch up-to-date information, like news articles, financial data, weather reports, etc. File systems. LangChain can also process documents, PDFs, CSVs, and more, making it ideal for workflows like document summarization, report generation, or document-based search. Use case. A financial analyst bot that pulls real-time stock data from an API and provides market insights based on current trends. 5. Prompt templates. Crafting effective prompts for language models can be a challenging task, especially when the output depends on specific formats or instructions. LangChain provides tools to standardize and optimize this process through prompt templates. Dynamic prompts. LangChain allows developers to create reusable prompt templates, where variables can be filled dynamically based on user input or external data. This helps in ensuring consistency in the way LLMs are asked to generate content. Advanced prompt engineering. Developers can build multi-part prompts where specific instructions are given for each part of a task. For example, first asking the LLM to summarize a text, then refine that summary based on specific user questions. Chainable prompts. LangChain supports chaining prompts together, allowing one prompt's output to become the next prompt's input. This is useful in multi-step reasoning tasks or complex workflows. Use case. A legal research assistant that extracts legal clauses from contracts and summarizes them based on specific client requirements using dynamically constructed prompts. 6. Evaluation and testing. Building reliable AI-driven applications requires robust testing and evaluation. LangChain provides tools that allow developers to evaluate the performance of language models in specific tasks. Model output evaluation. LangChain allows for automated testing of model outputs to ensure that they meet the desired criteria. This is especially helpful for tasks like summarization, where the quality of the output can vary significantly. Feedback loops. Developers can implement feedback loops where user responses or other evaluation metrics are fed back into the system to refine and improve future interactions. Stress testing. LangChain helps in stress testing language models by generating complex, edge case inputs that ensure the application handles a wide range of scenarios. Use case. An AI-powered tutor application where the correctness and appropriateness of educational answers are evaluated before being presented to the student. 7. Integration with popular models. LangChain is designed to be model agnostic, meaning it can work with a variety of language models, allowing developers to choose the best one for their application. Multi-model support. LangChain supports major LLM providers such as OpenAI, GPT-3, GPT-4, Hugging Face models, and other custom models. This flexibility allows developers to swap out models based on cost, performance, or specific features. Hybrid approaches. Developers can combine models for different tasks. For instance, using one model for natural language understanding, NLU, and another for more creative tasks like content generation. Custom models. LangChain supports the integration of proprietary models, allowing businesses to leverage their own fine-tuned models alongside public models. Use case. A multilingual chatbot that uses GPT-4 for English queries and a Hugging Face model fine-tuned on a specific non-English language for international customers. And that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you liked my video, hit subscribe, and YouTubulus will notify you when I publish new videos. The Internet Cafe is open 24/7, so you can visit LangChain's website anytime. Goodbye.